Hey everybody, Texas Danny coming to you on April 1st, 2021 here on a Thursday. I know I look rough and I won't abuse you too long. Sorry for the gruff look. I've been off for days and I've had work going on outside constantly during the daylight hours. Sun up to sundown, they don't stop. Unlike the rich, we don't get a break. We don't get to leave our homes while they renovate. Then they tell us it's tornado damage. Speaking of weather, and this is the storm. This is for all quantum affected, all Mandela affected, all paranormal affected worldwide. This is a Texas Danny advisory travel alert, okay? We are, of course, still rapidly moving. It hasn't let up, it hasn't stopped. But for all I it's still as a dime. I don't know what exactly the picture is. I still have us in a kind of a transfer state right now. The earth has signatures going off like crazy that there is work construction everywhere. We is busy, very busy. Underwater, above water, in the Himalayas, in the high tops, in the Sahara, to the Mojave, down to the tippy tops of the Peruvian mountains, or what used to be called the Magellan Straits. Doesn't exist in this reality. It used to be called the Magellan Straits, the far end of South America, Antarctica. They used to call that area the Magellan Straits. It doesn't exist anymore. Now, to get with it and get busy with everybody, the activity's going rolling right around and around. I've been doing some looking out there just like everything's been looking at me, and we're going at it. We are not stopping. I don't know what the implications are. My worry, of course, is that we'll have an instantaneous communication cutoff. Everyone should now start to anticipate that, because it's April 1st of 2021, and I don't know how long this show is going to go on or be allowed to go on. Again, the narrative is being driven by the vacants. The vacants are driving the narrative. The reality of what I'm seeing, I don't know for sure. Because I see funny, I have problems. Just see how you see the reflection through the lenses when you're back from the light from the cell phone and stuff like that, the refractions and the colors. And by the way, a shout out to everybody. Uni Mundi's colors mean something. Don't discount what that man is doing with his videos. Uni Mundi's colors mean something. Okay, so tune into that. It's worth looking. You've got to learn to read the tea leaves. Don't have everything explained to you. You've got to dig on this. But that's a shout out for Uni Mundi. Back to the point here. As you see these reflections, you see how we're going to have double images. I see the world like that outside. I have to see double aircraft. I have to see this. I have to see that. A lot of you are seeing rainbow clouds, and of course, and strange cloud formations, and the light in the sky. I've been putting up with that for days, weeks. This is going to keep on going on, and possibly even get worse. Okay, or come to an abrupt end. I don't know. I'm letting you all know that we're moving very quickly. The Eastern Mediterranean is closing up. She's closing up shop fast. Tons of water are going into Giza, okay? Now, the imaginative and unimaginative alike should get this picture. I came from a world where we watched different documentaries about the Giza Plateau, right? So did some of you as well, right? We've got a different pyramid arrangements. Okay, if there's more than one, there's two. Is there three, there four, there five, there six, on and on? Get the picture. Holographic imagery is what's driving our scape right now. Our landscape, our seascape, the sky. A sonic wave of digital transformation is happening constantly. And as I've been speaking about the raw volcano into the pyramid, that's what you've got going. We've got that raw form wanting going into substance, but then we got the problems. We've got fewer and fewer people in between the points here, and we've got more and more vacants, and so they're tracking in the baloney show. keep watch out for that. I'm going to give you a Earth update in a few hours. Texas Danny out.